Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This is Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stable. This week I wanted to talk to you guys about Microchip. June is Microchip Awareness Month, and as most of you know, it is law in El Paso. So if you live in El Paso city limits, it is regulation that all pets be microchipped, meaning cats and dogs. Horses and ferrets and other animals can also be microchipped, and we do it quite often, but the law is mainly for the cats and the dogs. The city is fining up to $1,000 now for not having your pets microchipped, so we are recommending that you go ahead and get that done as soon as possible. Because it's Microchip Awareness Month, we do have a discount to try and help everybody get into compliance with the city regulations. Also, I wanted to go a little bit in depth about what the microchip is and possible complications. We have a lot of people that are worried about the microchip causing cancer or it being a tracking device or different things like that. And so I kind of want to just set that clear. So first of all, the microchip is tiny. It's like a grain of rice, about the same size as a grain of rice. The needle is pretty big. It's like a piercing. And a lot of people like to have it done while the animal is anesthetized for another procedure, maybe a spay or a neuter or a dental cleaning, but it can definitely be done fully awake. It's basically like a big poke, and once the poke is done, there's no more pain. Depending on the size of the animal, the fat content, and how loose the skin is, the microchip can potentially migrate a little bit. So we always put it up around the shoulder blades, and most of the time it stays there, but sometimes it can shift down slightly. Doesn't cause any problems when that happens. It just means that we may have to look a little bit more and search for it with the microchip scanner. The microchip scanner is a device that picks up the number. The microchip has a 15-digit number on it. Sometimes this is changing with the times. Microchips used to be 9 digits, and then it went to 10 and so forth. But today it's a 15-digit microchip. Most international countries do require the 15-digit microchip, although some are becoming a little bit more lenient and requiring even some of the older ones as well. So the scanner picks up the number, and once we get the number, then we contact the company who provided the microchip itself. So it may be Home Again, it may be Avid. There's lots of different microchip companies that provide those. And we get the information of the pets. We are protected by privacy, so we do not give your information out to another person. We collect it and we contact you. And the same animal control or any other vet clinic will do the same. It does not have a tracking device, no GPSs, nothing like that. Maybe in the future, but not today. And as far as causing cancer, do microchips cause cancer? No. Not directly. Anything that causes inflammation in the body, whether it's a splinter, maybe a little rosebush thorn, a vaccine, a microchip, anything like that that causes enough of an inflammatory response in the body has a teeny tiny chance of mutating and becoming a little tumor there. I personally have never seen it. I've been placing microchips for 15 years. So does it happen? It has the potential, but your pet has a much higher potential of getting lost or having other complications because of not having the microchip. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We're more than happy to discuss any of your concerns. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.